All right. Today is 9/10/24. Let's check. We did mean yesterday. We're going to do mode today. Okay, I did. So you know how like Benjamin, for example, was absent yesterday? Yep. I did put up the video of the lesson. Yay me. That's us. Okay. So this is all the stuff, Benjamin, that we did and all the notes. And there we go. Okay, so it's all there. I actually did it yesterday. Sometimes I fall behind and don't do it, but I try to do it. So the lesson's there so you can catch up because it will. So this will be on your quiz next week. Okay. All right. What is mode?
Wait a minute.
What is mode?
Isn't it when like you line them from least to greatest?
Yeah, you can.
Range. Isn't it like? Yeah, that's the range.
Nathan?
Range is the range.
Is it where you get the greatest number and you subtract by the least greatest?
That's range.
Oh.
That's good. You know. Okay. What's mode? No.
Wait,
Yeah.
Is it? Wait. Is it like max?
Yeah. That would be range.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is it the number that repeats the most?
Yes. Say nice and loud, Anna.
I knew that.
The number that repeats the most.
Yes.
Yeah, because.
Mode is the one that repeats the most.
Yes.
Mode is the one that repeats the most.
I don't care about
The number that repeats, number or numbers that repeats the most. Mode, most. So remember the two words, mode, most. Mode and most. Mode, most. All right, are we okay? You could put the numbers in order. To see them better. Sometimes they're out of order. So for example, if I have 5, 8, 5, 6, 7, 9, those are, what did I do with those? Those are the number of jumping jacks I did. Totally. 5 jumping jacks, 8 jumping jacks, 5 jumping jacks, 6 jumping jacks, 7, and then 9. What is the mode? 5. What number of jumping jacks repeated the most? 5. Okay? Easy enough? Yeah. This one's like, I think the easiest one we do. What if I go 1, 1, 1? The number of cookies I ate. 1, 1, 1 cookie every night. 3, 4, 4, 4. These are the amount of cookies I ate in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days. This is the amount of cookies I ate after dinner.
I always eat like 10.
Okay, that's cool. I want some Oreos now.
I always
wait. Miss
8 slices.
So I went to the commissary and like they had this like mega stuffed Oreos. I'm like,
Bring me one next time. For some reason I'm craving Oreos.
okay, I'll bring one.
Anyways. Well, go like, Mom, I'm doing a math problem by the amount of cookies I eat. So this is scientific, Mom. Let me eat my cookies. Okay?
1 and 4.
All right, yes. So, what is the mode?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. Okay? So, yes, you can have 2 modes, 3 modes, as long as they repeat the same amount of time. So, this one repeated 3, and this one repeated 3, so they're good.
So if the 1 repeated 3 times and the 4 repeated 2, the mode would be just 1? Oh.
Whoever has the most. Okay, let's see what else. This is the amount of, what's a good one? Pizza slices I had this month. The first time I had 1 Costco size pizza slice. It's big.
Oh,
then two
Costco.
Little Caesars, okay. 3 Pizza Hut slices. Then 4 Papa John slices. And then 5 Domino's slices. The black box. If you guys have not tried Domino's black box,
I love Domino's.
you're missing out.
You don't like Domino's?
It is a handmade, hand tossed, and it's thicker.
I don't eat pizza. My parents don't let me. My parents always.
Your parents don't let you eat pizza?
And they don't let him work on his homework.
Yeah, they actually don't.
They always have him do chores.
life.
I mean, I'm so knowing so much about your family.
So is Dr. Pepper.
Wait,
How do you eat pizza together? Have you never?
What is the mode? None. So you will write either no mode or none. Do not write 0 or the number 0. So some kids will be like, make a mistake and go, oh, here the mode is, they'll write like a 0, and it's like, no, 0 is a number, so you're telling me that 0 repeated? And they're like, no, Miss Amelia, well, there is no mode. Then you write that down. If you write a 0, it's considered a number, and that's not a number that we're using, right? Not a number that we're using. Okay. Yeah, for sure. So you don't have to write this down, but so if it was like 0, 0, the amount of Amount 0? Come on. The amount of miles I ran on Monday. The amount of miles I ran on Tuesday. Amount of miles I ran on Wednesday. Okay. The amount of miles I ran on Thursday. Okay. The amount of miles I ran on Friday.
Do you just take one step and then you're done?
Yeah, there you go. All right, I quit. We're good. Good job. Woo. I just changed for nothing.
The mode is 0.
Yeah, so the mode here would be 0, right? Right? That would be an actual mode. And then another question I think Lucero asked me before was like if it was 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? The 4 repeated and the 1 repeated, right? But which one repeated the most? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1.
8, 9, 10.
Right? So here the mode was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but this one was a little bit more, right? So that's a good question. I like this one. And I know a lot of you are in Run Strong and cross country. You run a lot more than this, but this is me. This is me.
Yeah, Miss Beans would be.
No, this is like, okay, let me get dressed. I'm gonna go run with you guys to like down that street, and then I go, okay, yeah, never mind.
Did you just like lift your foot?
Yeah, not even like, oh, it's too heavy. Never mind.
She was about to cross the line. Now I'm good.
No, we're good. Yeah. I got a cramp. Cat, type of thing. Yeah, it happens, right?
Yeah.
I always say one day I'm gonna go out there. You know what I want to do? The bike. I think I can do it with the bike.
Oh, that.
And you'll still beat me. All right. Let's find this.
Mode rate.
So what's the next measure?
Mode. Clean, medium. Max. Isn't there max?
Oh, the blank number in the set of data.
Most repeated. Repeated.
Most repeated, repeated,
No, the repeated.
repetitive.
In a set of data.
Repetitive.
The repetitive.
The most.
No, the most number in the number. No, just the repeated.
Repetitive. Because if you just say repeated, the repeated
The most repeated?
Yeah, I like the most repeated.
Repetitive?
I like repetitive.
Sure. You do you. They all mean the same, right? So if you want to write repetitive, I agree with that. If you want to write repetitive or most repetitive, I like it. All of the above work for us.
Numerical order.
Okay. Put numbers in numerical order. If you put them in order, it helps for all of them, right? It helps for mode.
They're in order.
Find the number.
Find
I think
the blank number,
the repeated number.
the repeated
That seems like
number. If you, we didn't talk about this. If you have two numbers in the middle, what do you do?
subtract.
Find the
Mean. Find the mean and then.
find the mode of the two middle numbers.
Ooh. Oh wait, no. I'm sorry. I'm confusing it with another one. Sorry. Yeah. That's sorry. I was wanting you to say what I was thinking, but I was thinking the wrong one. If you have two numbers in the middle, find the blank of the two numbers. No, this is wrong. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh my god! You all messed up. So yeah, good thing you fixed your mistakes. Yeah. So we're in the third box. This one's mode. I'm sorry. Wow. Let's hit reset on today's date. Okay, mode. The number that occurs the most, now it makes sense, in the set of data. Put the numbers in numerical order, so that's still the same. Find the number that repeats the most. My apologies, sorry.
So why is the second one say that?
Because a lot of these can be, the first thing you have to do for a lot of these is put them in order. All right. Okay, so here's our example. Let's put them in order. What's the smallest number?
2, 3, 3, 5, 7.
Good. 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. I always like to double check that I wrote them all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which numbers repeat the most? 3. So our mode is indeed 3. All right, are we okay? Well, yes. You see, I skipped one whole lesson. Anyways, we will be doing medium today after we practice mode. You know what? No, let's just hit the medium first.
No.
Mode is too easy for just one day. We have to do 2. Okay. Yep. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Range will be tomorrow.
No. Let's just do medium tomorrow. And then range today.
Medium is easy.
It's the middle. I know it is, but like, I know, but I don't
Why do you want to do range so bad?
because I want to.
Medium is easy.
Medium. What is median?
Median is the middle number.
When?
When put in numerical order.
Yep. Key is, it has to be in numerical order. It is the middle number when the numbers are in order. So the numbers have to be in order. If they're not in order, you'll probably 100% make a mistake. Stop. Step 1. Order the numbers from least to greatest. Order the numbers from least to greatest. So the smallest number to the biggest number. And then step 2. What do we do on step 2?
Find the middle.
How do I find the middle? Yeah. cross out from each end. I like to say from each end.
I forgot when it happens when there's no middle.
Yeah, so what happens when there's two numbers in the middle?
You probably add them.
You like
Don't you like
make it into a
subtract them?
decimal.
Oh, not necessarily.
You add a 0.5.
No.
No.
Divide.
First you find the number that's in the middle of those two numbers.
Wait, you add them and then you divide by 2?
Because how many numbers did you add? Usually it's 2, right?
2 and then
So we divide. So you're actually finding like the mean of those two numbers, which is the middle. All right. So we'll start off with the easy one. Let me just put them in order for you so we don't spend time. So here are the numbers in order: 5, 8, 10, 12, and 30. Right. So these are my numbers in order already. I did the favor for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. Now we cross them out from each end: the front, the back, the front, the back. So our median is equal to 10. It's the number in the middle. 10 is the middle number. Okay? All of these are ways to, instead of writing all of your data, like if instead of recording all the sit-ups I did in a week, I can go on average, medium number is 10. Right? So it's just a different way of representing data. Okay. Are we okay? So I'm not going to give you another easy one like this. So put them in order, number in the middle. All right. So let me give you these numbers: 60, 60, 70, 72, 80, and 90. Okay, write those numbers. They're already in order. You're welcome. 60, 60, 70, 72, 80, and 90. Some water.
Why did you do it?
Oh, good. Oh, that's so easy.
2, 4,
I got the answer.
2, 4, 6.
What
You don't
is?
have to divide on this one. This one's easy.
Yes. So you have 70 and 72. What's in the middle?
71.
So is there a decimal? No. So not all your answers will have decimals. Sometimes it's just a number. So this one, you can use common sense. You have two numbers in the middle, but you know that the number in the middle would be 71 is your median. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So not always a decimal. Could you have added these two and divided by 2? Yes, you would get 71. But sometimes you can use common sense. All right. How would you do 55, 60, 86, and 90? 55, 60, 86. These are my test scores for English. I got a 55. Let's not talk about that. A 60, an 86, and a 90. Yay, improvement. So what would be our median score? What would be the score in the middle? Yep. Yeah. So let's pretend we haven't done the math yet. And you're like, I don't know what's in the middle of 60 and 68. 60 and 86. It's not as easy as 70 and 72, right? So when you have something like that, Michelle, what do I have to do first?
You have to add up the both and the
Good. So we're going to add both of the numbers that are left over. 146. Now some kids make a mistake and be like, oh, it's 146. And then I ask them, is 146 in the middle of these two numbers? Yes. No, it's not. It's not.
I got
Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. I'm not done yet, man.
73. That's what I got.
That's what
You got 73 also? I just added the one.
Yeah, I got 73 too.
Is that a wrap?
All right. So our median is 73, okay? So we have easy ones where you only have one number in the middle, you're fine, right? Just like the first example I gave you. One number in the middle, no brainer. Then sometimes you can use common sense and go like, okay, what's in the middle of 70 and 72? And then sometimes you have to do the little math of adding and dividing by 2 when it's when it's numbers that are really far apart. Now, sometimes you'll have two numbers in the middle, and you'll divide, and it will end in a decimal, and that's okay too. Like, for example, if I had a number, we did the numbers, we crossed them out, and we're left with 6 and 7. Let's say we have numbers on this side and numbers on this side, and we're left with 6 and 7. So what's in the middle of 6 and 7? 6.5, 6.5, right? $6.50. So that would be in the middle. Oh, and then sometimes you have, like, let's say 7, 7 in the middle. Right? You have numbers on both sides, and then 7 and 7 are left. What's in the middle of 7 and 7? 7. Nothing. Just dirt. So some kids will do, oh, it's 7.5, and I'm like, nope. So be careful. If it's the same number, then it's just that number, 7. Okay, there's nothing in the middle of that. Okay, any questions? Any questions? No? Okay, cool. What are we doing today?
A worksheet.
Yay, worksheet. Okay, not that one.
I'm bored. I'm actually getting bored of this. I actually want to do something productive.
Oh wow, I love it. Oh wait. Yes. What's up? We can do this correctly now. I hope. Stop. All right. Measure mean, mode, median. Mode, median. So that was supposed to be medium. The middle number. So the word was the middle number in a set of data. Put the numbers in numerical order. Find the middle number. If you have two middle numbers, find the mean. Why do we go back to mean? Because what do you do in mean? You add and divide. And that's exactly what you do when you have two, right? You add and divide. So technically, you're doing it.
I got the median with 5.
So just pass back 4, okay? Huh? Oh, I forgot to do the example. We gotta do the example. Can you guys finish the example?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's easy.
Light work reaction.
All right. So if I do the example, the first thing I have to do is put them in order. 2, 3, 3, 5, and 7. Cross them out, front, back, circle. So, ladies and gentlemen, Darwin, what was our median? So median is 3. Median is 3. All right, so we filled out most of our chart here. Okay, so this worksheet has all 3 that you have learned already or reviewed already, mean, median, mode. So given, find the mean, the median, and the mode. So here it is. What do you guys want to do first?
First one.
Okay. Let's put them in order. 3, 4, 4, 5, 9. 3, 4, 4, 5, 9. All right. Mode is super easy. All you have to do is look, right? So of these numbers that are in order, which number repeated the most? 4. So our mode would be 4 because it's the number that repeated the most. I already wrote it down. You just can't see it. Right there, mode. Okay, what's our median?
4.
Cross them out. Circle. 4. Cool. Now the hard one, because it just takes a little extra 10 seconds. Add them and divide. So what is our sum?
25 divided by 5.
And then we divide 25 divided by what? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 divided by 5 is? 5. So our mean is 5. So how do I know these answers are correct? Well, these numbers that I call the mean, medium, and mode should be the type of numbers that you have. If one of your answers, like if this answer I left as 25, are these numbers anywhere near 25? No, so you know you're not done or you made a mistake. All of your answers should be numbers related to the numbers there. Okay? Any questions? Okay, so the work I want to see, let's make it clear. I want to see how you put the numbers in order. I want you to tell me what the sum is for each of them. And then what did you divide by? Okay? So that's the work I want to see. I want to see how you put them in order. I want you to tell me the sum, because if you make a mistake on the mean, I know, okay, what's the sum? Oh, that's where you messed up. Or like, no, you got that right. What did you divide by? Oh, you got that wrong. Just to catch your mistakes, if you have any. Okay, put them in order. Tell me the sum, what you divide by, and then your answers. Any questions? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Don't want you to lose points because you didn't show me work.